company has to understand that when they're manufacturing pharmaceutical products, they're doing something responsible, something that has to be done, in a responsible manner. And as long as you do that, as long as you make sure that you are meeting expectations, you'll be in good shape.
All right, now let's focus from the US FDA to Lupin. You've been trying for several months to get clarity on the entire FII investment limit. We understand from reports that Lupin has also written to the Cabinet Secretary to get clarity in this regard. Could you give us an update?
We've written to everybody that we can. I unfortunately do not have an update where I feel we're close to the resolution of the matter, but this is typically the kind of thing that I'm talking about taking away detractors, and forget enablers. We've been trying for close to a year to get this permission, to get this limit relaxed, and it's not happened, and it's hurting us.
Do you think the delay bothers you?
Obviously, it's hurting us from a stock market perspective. It's hurting us from a market cap perspective. There definitely is impact.
All right. Now, Nilesh, there are several Indian pharma companies that are believed to be in talks with a lot of suitors, a lot of overseas suitors. We've seen a lot of speculation around several pharma deals perhaps being in the pipeline. Would Lupin at any stage be open to inducting a strategic foreign investor?
Not in the whole company. And simply because, I think it depends on what we want to achieve long term. Would we be willing to do a joint venture in a particular therapy area in India, for example? 100%. We'd love to do that. Would we be interested in a product category? Let's say we take injectables and try to partner with somebody in that space. Certainly, we'd be very happy to consider that.
In the short term, do you have any plans of perhaps exiting some of your weaker brands and buying out stronger ones? If yes, what kind of monies are you planning to raise?
Does it make sense to look at product-wise profitability and see the ones which don't make sense in our portfolio but could make sense to somebody else? And it's purely from that perspective. This is an exercise that we're planning to undertake. Right? We haven't even started, so I think we're planning to undertake in the next 6 months.